Hey everyone. So, we've all heard about Ozempic, the diabetes drug that's become super popular for weight loss. But there's a side effect a lot of people are talking about called Ozempic butt. Let's talk about what it is, why it happens, and what you can actually do about it. So, what is it? Ozempic butt is that sudden sagging, flat look, or loose skin in your butt and hip area that can happen when you lose weight quickly on drugs like Ozempic. Here's why. Fast weight loss doesn't just take fat, it can take muscle too. Your skin doesn't always snap back, especially if weight loss is rapid. And the butt is one of those spots where this shows up big time. Is it permanent? Not necessarily. With time, muscle building, and good nutrition, you can rebuild shape and firmness. What can you do? 1. Strength training is key. Think squats, lunges, hip thrusts, build that muscle back. 2. Eat enough protein. This helps preserve muscle while losing fat. 3. Go slow if you can. Gradual weight loss gives your skin time to adjust. If loose skin really bothers you, there are cosmetic options like skin tightening treatments, but for most people, fitness and patience go a long way. And lastly, a mindset check. Your body is going through big changes. Don't compare yourself to airbrushed perfection on Instagram. Focus on health, strength, and how you feel. So yes, Ozempic butt is a thing, but it's manageable. Lift, fuel your body well, be patient, and trust the process. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more real talk on health and weight loss. Drop your questions in the comments.